chose psychology at STI, West Negros University. Before we begin, can I ask what's your name or what name you want me to prefer you?
My name is Kaya Alfonso.
Kaya.
Kaya.
Kaya. So, I'd like to confirm that if you're okay with this interview, your responses will be confidential and used for academic purposes only. Can we start with the first question? What motivated you to choose psychology as your course?
I am a fourth year studying pastoral in Bukol. And this course is not needed man. It's a need sa amin na course ako na person. But ako ang impact sa psychology sa ako na field as when makapabalik makastorm dito when I graduated sa October. Pero para sa ako yung vital ang human behavior sa akin.
Can we proceed to the next? What are the reasons for enrolling her at STIW?
Nakita ko because I was grade 12 nag-immersion. Nakita ko nga ang quality sa STI is when it comes to psychology para sa akin is taas. Ang STI ng school ang willing ko doon. Hindi ako medyo sa iba niya school pero may mga eskwelahan niya tungkol taas. Hindi ang autonomous also pero daw hindi sila open sa learning unless unlike hindi sa STI na open, may relationship ng teacher tsaka sila sa students namin sila mag-open.
Number 3, did you regret your decision? State your answer.
Direct. First year pa lang so wala pa. Kaya ko kapalok ang direct. Pero para sa ako din happy na ari ko din sa STI. And hindi lang na hindi ko Catholic. So agad din siya ako niya free katama ka kanami isang pag-treat nila sa ako. But para sa akin wala. As of now, wala din ko nag-regret. I'm happy na I'm part of the STI sa University.
We are in the last question. What are your expectations for this course and for being here at STIW?
So first year, expect ko I'll learn more about you. Actually, na-pack up topic naman na namin. Within 3 months, pwede ko na sila. But, nakita ko nga may need pa ko nga find out about ang psychology. And, nag-expect ko sa STI na maging smooth. As in, smooth na ganda ako ng expectation. Wala mga unexpected na mga matabo. Because I believe na STI is the best field sa learning when it comes to psychology. So, I expect high grades sa STI.
Thank you. To summarize your answers, you mentioned that you chose psychology because it is vital and you want na makatuon yung human behavior. And you chose STI kay taas yun ang iyang free. And lastly, you did not regret na pilit mo na yung STI nagagawin mo school and nag-expect ka taas because na ang lang yung eskwelahan ang para sa mga provide na maka-learn ka din. And last, before we end this interview, is there anything you will add or